Hi guys, I am Sriram.r studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Topic is e-waste. Introduction to e-waste. E-waste refers to electronic waste including discarded electronic devices such as computers, cell phones and televisions. It is a growing global concern due to the rapid advancement of a technology and a short lifespan of electronic devices. E-waste poses a significant environmental and health risk if not managed properly. Environment impact of e-waste. Improper disposal of e-waste can lead to the soil and water pollution as electronic devices contains hazardous materials such as lead, mercury and cadmium. E-waste contributes to the depletion of the natural resources as it is contains the valuable components that can be recycled and reused. The recycling and the proper disposal of the e-waste can help reduce the environmental impact and conserve the resources. Health risks of e-waste. Exposure to the hazardous materials in e-waste can lead to the adverse health effects including respiratory problems, neurological disorders and reproductive issues. Informal recycling practices in development countries often involve burning or dismantling a e-waste proper and protective measures exposing workers to the toxic substances. Proper handling and recycling of the e-waste and are crucial to protect the health of the both workers and the general population. Global e-waste generation. Amount of e-waste generally globally is increased rapidly with an estimated 53.6 million metric tons produced in 2019. Developed countries are the largest contributors to the e-waste generation, but developing countries are the catching up due to the increased adoption of electronic devices. E-waste generation is projected to continue rising with the growth of the global electronic markets. E-waste management challenges. E-waste management poses the several challenges including a lack of the awareness, inadequate infrastructure and limited resources for the proper recycling. Informal recycling practices such as backyard burning or improper dismantling are prevalent due to the lack of accessible recycling facilities. International collaboration and effective policies are necessary to address these challenges and promote a sustainable e-waste management practices. Benefits of e-waste recycling. Recycling is a e-waste conserves the valuable resources such as metals and rare earth elements, reducing the need for the mining and the extraction. Proper e-waste recycling helps the recover the precious metals like gold, silver, and copper, which can be used in the manufacturing of the new electronic devices. Recycling also reduces the energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions associated with the production of new electronic devices. Responsible of e-waste disposal. Responsible e-waste disposal involves finding a certified recycling facilities that adhere to proper environmental and health regulations. Many electronic manufacturers and retailers offer take back the programs or drop off locations for the consumers to dispose of their old devices responsibly. It is crucial to erase the personal data and remove the batteries before disposing of electronic devices to protect privacy and prevent the environmental contamination. E-waste recycling process. The e-waste recycling process typically involves sorting, dismantling, and shredding the electronic devices to separate the different materials. Valuable components like circuit boards, metals, and plastics are recovered and sent for the further processing and refining. The remaining materials, including the hazardous substance, are treated and disposed of following environmental regulations. E-waste recycling technologies. Various technologies are employed to the recycled e-waste including the mechanical processing, hydrometallurgical methods and pyrometallurgical process. Mechanical processing involves the shredding and separating the materials based on their physical properties such as size and density. Hydrometallurgical and pyrometallurgical methods are used to extract the valuable metals from the electronic waste through the chemical process. E-waste regulations and policies. Many countries have implemented the regulations and policies to address the growing issue of the e-waste. Basel Convention on the control of the transboundary movements of the hazardous waste and their disposal regulates the international movement of the e-waste. Extended producer responsibility (EPR) programs requires the manufacturers to take the responsibility for the entire life cycle of their products, including the proper disposal and recycling. E-waste recycling success stories. Several countries and organizations have made significant progress in e-waste recycling management. Switzerland has implemented the effective collection and recycling system, achieving the high recycling rates for the electronic waste. The STEP initiative solving the e-waste problem is the global partnership that aims to develop the sustainable e-waste management solutions. E-waste awareness and education. Raising awareness about the e-waste and its the environmental health impacts the essential for the promoting responsible disposal and the recycling. Educational programs and campaigns can help to inform the individuals and communities about the importance of the proper e-waste management. Collaboration between the governments, NGOs, and the private sector is crucial to implement the effective awareness and the education incentives. Reduce the reuse and recycle. The principles of reduce, reuse, and recycle apply to the e-waste as well. Consumers can reduce the e-waste generation by prolonging the lifespan of their electronic devices through the proper maintenance and upgrades. Reusing the electronics through the donation or a resale can help their useful life, reducing the need for the new devices. E-waste and the circular economy. E-waste recycling plays a vital role in transitions to the circular economy where the resources are kept in reuse for as long as possible. The circular economic approach that promotes the design for the longevity, repairability, and recyclability of the electronic devices. Embracing a circular economy for the electronics can minimize waste, conserve the resources, and reduce the environmental impact. E-waste innovations. Innovations in e-waste management include the development of advanced recycling technologies and eco-design of the electronic devices. Emerging technologies such as urban mining and bio-leaching and show promise in the recovering the valuable materials from the e-waste. Collaboration between the researchers, industries, and a policymaker is crucial to drive further innovation in the e-waste management. Individual actions for the e-waste reduction. Individuals can contribute to the e-waste reduction by practicing a responsible consumption and disposal of the electronic devices. Consider the repairing or upgrading electronic devices before replacing them. Donate or sell old electronics if they are still functional, or recycle them or certified facilities if they are beyond repair. Corporate responsibility for the e-waste. Business have a responsibility to adopt the sustainable practices throughout their supply chains, including proper e-waste management. Implementing the EPR and programs and supporting the take back the initiative can help the business fulfill their corporate social responsibility. Investing in eco design and recycling the materials can also contribute to the reducing e-waste generation. Government initiative policies play a crucial role in addressing the e-waste challenge and through the policies. In international cooperation, e-waste management, international collaboration is essential for the tackle global issues of e-waste. Conclusion: e-waste is a pressing global concern with the significant environmental health risk. Responsible e-waste disposal and recycling are necessary to conserve the resources, reduce the pollution, and protect the human health. Collaboration between the individuals and governments, business, and organization is crucial to address the e-waste challenge and promote a sustainable future. Thank you.